Yo, what's up, guys? And today we're playing Double Drift. Alright, let's see how I do. God damn. The game was really glitchy, so I didn't know how much. Come on, yeah. You mind me? What the? No. No.
If you haven't heard of the Free Text Now app, you have to check it out. You can get a free phone number to text your friends, call your mom, date.
Meet your AI-powered gamer sidekick, Sam, who will help you make the best move,
He's behind the tree. Aim for the head.
level up your game,
Swipe left and grab the pogo stick. Now watch out for trains.
hype every moment.
You've got this. Finish him. That's 3 wins in a row.
The unfair advantage is always yours. Download Vibe Assistant now.
I don't know. I'm good. Okay, this has some good drifts. I don't know, be my record. No! Dang it. And I'm so close.
You gotta test out this free app.